ChargeBee is hiring people for the role of software engineer. ChargeBee is one of the product-based company located in Chennai. Let's see some of the eligibility criteria and the process to apply for ChargeBee software engineer role. First, let's see the about company. ChargeBee is a PCI Level 1 certified recurring bill platform for subscription-based SaaS software as a service and e-commerce businesses. ChargeBee integrates with the leading payment gateways like Stripe, Braintree, PayPal, etc. around the world to let you automate recurring payment collection along with invoicing, taxes, accounting, email notification, software as a service matrices and customer management. This is about the company. This is the official website of ChargeBee. You can go to this website and you can check out their technologies about their company too. The job description they have given is deliver assigned features on time, mentor junior engineers in their module, proactively communicate the status to manager, collaborate well with other teams to sort out dependencies. These are some of the job description they have given. Skills required are good knowledge on Java, Postgres, Redshift, and any big data technologies. These are some of the skills they are looking for. The role they have given is software engineer. Job location is Chennai. The typical ChargeBee software engineer salary is 10 lakhs and it will be range from 4 lakhs 50,000 to 15 lakhs. It's one of the good company. Eligibility criteria given is BE or BTech, CSE, IT, and ECE departments are eligible. 60% or 6.5 GPA and above throughout without any running backlogs. 2019, 2020, and 2021 graduates are eligible for this role. Years of experience is 0 to 3 years of experience. Documents needed are while in the process of interview, you should have these documents. You should carry a copy of latest resume, Aadhaar card, any one of the government proof you should have. Then students should have all the essential educational certificates like Xerox copies of 10th, 12th, and all the same sheets should be in soft copy and a hard copy. Mostly the interview process will be in online, so you can have the soft copy of these documents in your system so that it will be more useful when they ask during the interview process. How to apply? You can use the link given in the description box to apply for this role. Before clicking the link, let me tell the process how you can apply for this role. Let's see the process. After clicking the link given in the description box, you will be redirected to this page. That's the carriers ChargeBee page, where they have given some of the information like the senior software engineer should work efficiently with engineering team, develop bug free code, collaborate well with product team, and deliver the features on time. And their responsibilities are given: deliver assigned features on time, mentor junior engineers in their module, must have good knowledge on Java, Postgres, Redshift, and any big data technologies. Good to have previous experience in reporting or analytics domain, and they have given some information. Mostly, it will be like a remote, like a job remote, and it will be of full time. After clicking this apply now button, you will be redirected to this portion where you will be submitting your application. First, you want to submit your resume. After that, you can fill your first name, last name, email, mobile, phone number, and here this is one of the important thing like social networks and web links. Here you can give your GitHub links, LinkedIn links, or if you have any website links, also you can provide here. Employer, you can add a employer if you have any experience uh, in any company. You can also, if you have done any internships, also you can apply here, and you can add your education. After that, you can submit your application form. After submitting, it will take a couple of days or couple of time to receive a response from ChargeBee. So all the best for your internship. Sorry, your interview process. Prepare well for your interview too after applying for this job.